Welcome to Droning On, quick dive into drone technology. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of drones and their incredible capabilities. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, have revolutionized various industries, from photography and videography to agriculture and delivery services. These small remote-controlled aircraft are equipped with advanced technology that allows them to perform a wide range of tasks. One of the most common uses of drones is in aerial photography and videography. With their high-resolution cameras and stable flight capabilities, drones can capture breathtaking aerial shots that were once only possible with expensive equipment and helicopters. But drones are not just limited to capturing stunning visuals. They are also used in search and rescue operations, where they can quickly and efficiently locate missing persons or assess disaster-stricken areas. In the agricultural sector, drones are being used to monitor crops and gather data on soil conditions, plant health, and irrigation needs. This information helps farmers make informed decisions and optimize their farming practices. Drones are even being used for delivery services, with companies like Amazon experimenting with drone deliveries. These autonomous flying machines can transport packages to remote areas or areas with limited accessibility, making deliveries faster and more efficient. The possibilities with drones are endless, and their potential is only just beginning to be explored. As technology continues to advance, we can expect drones to become even more versatile and capable. So, whether you're a photography enthusiast, a farmer, or simply curious about the future of technology, drones are definitely worth diving into. Join us as we explore the exciting world of drone technology in Droning On. Quick dive into drone technology.